Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Tips and Tricks. I hope you all doing great and welcome back to another latest styling video. In this video I'm going to share that how can you style your black outfit in a very different and a beautiful way. So I'm going to share a beautiful and different 8 ways that you style and wear your black outfit, plain black outfit in a very beautiful way. So I'm going to share some beautiful tips. In this way I'm going to wear a beautiful plain black dress and how to style. You can watch this video till the last and this video will gonna very helpful and amazing for you. Just watch and make you look sophisticated and polished. So you can wear a beautiful olive camel color beautiful jacket and over and accessorize your outfit with a beautiful short earrings and necklaces, and the out footwear collection is also very matter. So make your look beautiful by wearing your footwear choices. So and with every outfit your footwear enhance your personality more. So make sure choose your footwear that exactly match your style. So in this video I'm also share the footwear choices and your jackets over you can wear your plain black outfit. I hope you enjoy this video and watch this video till the last, because in this video you will get 8 different ways to style your plain black outfit and make your look beautiful. I know everyone have a plain black outfit and a different kinds of booties, footwears and yeah jackets. So mix and match your outfit and wardrobe essentials and make your look beautiful. I hope you like this video. This camel color blazer is very beautiful. It look classy and elegant. And or black, it enhance your beauty 10 times more. And you can wear a beautiful stiletto pump shoes. This look is very amazing. Never forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.